Hi guys, welcome back to daily market analysis. And yes, it's almost 11:57. We are recording this thing, and so Nifty is kind of taking support at 25,500. Maybe there's a possibility that it can go and bounce back and stuff. Even though the things around are negative, there's no perfect sign of trade deal. A lot of misconceptions from both the nations and the other nations as well. So we have to look for what actually is next for market. Bank Nifty is holding our, so it is giving closing below the 60,100, but we have to see what exactly it looks like. Well, let's just check what we actually wrote yesterday. एक minute. Nifty took support at 25,500 again. It did not break that 25,500. You look at it. 25,550, we can say it's not 25,500 exactly. 3 month or a 6 month. 25,550, so 552 we can say. Now, ish. So it gave a closing below 660. That's interesting. But 550 Nifty. Is it too big? Wait. Nifty holding. Let's try to understand options chain. So major resistance at 25,700 and a lot of call writing for this week's expiry on 25,600, 25,650, 25,700. So 25,400 according to OI looks like some sort of support, but there's no significant support that you can see. So if 25,700 is acting as big resistance, all higher levels all call writing happening on higher levels. Next support at 25,400. PCR must be down 0.6. PCR. So PCR, where is it? PCR is at 0.6. Neutral to slightly negative, but yeah, neutral. Let's try to understand what's happening into FID, data and options. The data is not updated yet. not a problem. Cash market, FI history. So FIDI data 6th Feb. Okay, till 5th Feb, right? Okay, it's 5th Feb. The data is updated. I'm just writing it. So, yeah, come on. Yeah, so on 5th Feb. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So the call options, the sold call, bought puts, negative. Sold a lot of calls. Sold a lot of calls and sold puts. So like 8,000 puts, nothing significant. Bought a lot of calls and sold puts, so that's positive. But both of them have turned negative suddenly, and overall positions look like bearish for pro, bearish for FI as well. Futures data. Bought 538 crores in futures. Stock. FI sold 2000 crores in stock today. Let's quickly try to understand what's happening into other markets. S&P, after it took resistance at 6,924, it is falling down quite significantly. There's a lot of there is a lot of space to actually go down for S&P. It can go to like 6,200 or something. On a 3 month time frame as well, there is a lot of space. 6,600, 699. Nasdaq going down. DAX went down. Some was, getting in control. Nikki lost some of its gain. China is also kind of, 0.5 percentage down. DXY is gaining momentum. Gold is going down. Silver went crazy, but still is at support. USD INR after a steep decline, again declining. Good news. TLT suddenly went up. EDV went up. Okay. US 10-year bonds went. Why it is showing half a percentage up and the overall chart shows like 1% down? It went down by like 1%. US 10-year bond yield went down by 1.64%. US oil is Bitcoin is at 65,000. So that's an interesting point. Like, the guys who are kind of bullish, all the bullishness has suddenly went away. I've been telling it from, I think, this time I think. About like I was bearish from, like, from the starting. I did not write it down. I'll write it down, to be honest. I was starting from this whole time when I started this particular series from 5th, 10th of December, that this thing should go down and break the. It took a lot of time, and then eventually it's down. It's down good enough. I've been pessimistic about it ever since, at least for a really long time. Damn. Next support is at like 62,586 for BTC. Yeah, that is it for today. I think market, hmm, they're going to expire below this 25,700 field. So you can sell call of 25,700. I think that will make some sort of money for this expiry at least. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys, tomorrow. Bye.